In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Notification and Status bar. After that, scroll down again. Click on Recent next to App Notifications and tap on the best option for you, in my case, Frequency. Then click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Messages. You can switch them back on the same way. If you wish to, you can also just click on one of your apps located on the left and then manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!